In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to duplicate clone web app project in Base44. Easy guide. Duplicating a project is perfect when you want a safe sandbox to experiment, create a staging version, or reuse an existing setup as a starting point for a new app. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace so you can see the app you want to copy. Start by opening your browser and going to app.base44.com. Once you're in, look for the navigation area and click on Apps. This takes you to a view that lists the projects available to you. If you work in multiple workspaces, double check that you're in the right one so you don't accidentally copy the wrong app. Find the app you want to clone and select it to open the editor. After the editor loads, head to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you the overview and quick access to the main controls you'll use to manage the project. Next, go to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the sidebar or along the top. Inside Settings, open App Settings. This is where Base44 keeps the controls related to the project's configuration and maintenance actions. In App Settings, look for the Create Copy option and click it. Base44 will prepare a duplicate of your project with the same structure, pages, components, and most configurations you had in the original. The process is typically quick, but larger apps may take a moment. When it's done, you'll be redirected automatically into the cloned version. You'll know you're in the copy because the project name will include the word copy. That's intentional, so it's easy to distinguish from the original at a glance. Keep in mind that certain items like environment variables, secrets, or specific third-party connections may be handled based on your organization's permissions and platform rules. It's a good idea to review those after the copy is created to confirm everything you expect is in place. Also, the cloned app will live in the same workspace unless your organization has custom policies. From here, you can safely work in the copy without affecting the original. Be mindful if both versions point to the same live data sources. That can lead to conflicts in testing or production. Label your environments clearly and coordinate with your team if others are working on related features. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Base44 app, giving yourself a reliable space to iterate confidently while keeping the original intact.